Good morning from Delhi. Hey y'all, oh my god, let me just stand in front of the sun to show y'all that I'm enjoying the winter sun. Oh my god, I landed in Delhi yesterday. It was evening already, so didn't do much. Me and my BF, we went to Leo's in Priya Market and we had a pizza. He had a beer, I had a wine, it was nice. Got into the Christmas year-end mood and vibes. And then today, I think I'm giving Christmas colors. I'm waiting for him here. I wanted to get a coffee actually. Actually, I've also wanted to eat momos. And he doesn't make it easy for me because he's like, no, you can't have it from this ready, you can't have it from that ready, you can't have it from any ready. And I'm like, I need to eat it from a ready. You don't get it, babe. I do. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. But you'll put oat milk, right? Sure. Do you think everyone knows I'm not from here? What if I just mess this up? There's too many people around me. We are in Decathlon.
Next gen Sarojini.
That's true.
देखो बड़ी है
But ठीक है तो लेयर वेयर करोगे तो
चलो बहुत
Oh.
स्मोकर प्रॉब्लम
Smucker? I barely know her. We're at Modern Bazaar. I was a little angry and hangry, so we hashed it out. Then we ate some food, and now our day is beginning at 4 p.m. We have done a major decathlon trip. Do you see me and Arman are twinning? Now we're gonna get some snacky snacks for our road trip, which only me and Arman will eat because we're in the same car. Only us.
नॉर्मल टॉपलेट ले लो इससे अच्छा चलो लेते हैं रोड ट्रिप के हिसाब से ले रहे हैं
Yeah. Guys, I'm literally so confused. Guys, look what they have. This is just kakadi. Damn.
वो है राय पे थोड़ा पाक
That's such a royal regal name. Guys, we did our shopping. I'm giving you like a immersive experience that you can look at me and also look at the road. We have had a very productive day. Done decathlon se shopping. Ladai and then khana and then shopping from H&M I did. I got a sweater. Overall, a very great shopping day. Also have a new lippy which I'm going to shoot a reel and soft launch it to all of y'all. Going to the BF house now and we'll chill. I'm tired. कल ही जा रहे हैं हम ट्रिप पे. OMG guys. Guys, this is my apartment 3D printer. This is the waist. This is the demo apartment. A mountain thingy. Gray, black, orange, green, and this whole machine. Isn't it so cool? Dinner at my BF's house. It's getting turned up. Oopsies. My punishment is that I'm not gonna vlog now. Okay, eating dinner. Talk to you. Bye bye. Good morning, Delhi. It is 6:40 a.m. We were having to leave ideally by 7. But now बहुत fog है. So we're gonna like still get ready. Oh my god. Guys, I can't. What is this fancy toothpaste he's using, huh? Oh my god. Hi. I have showered, I have moisturized, I have brushed, washed my face, done my skincare, everything I've done. It is so foggy outside, guys. Oh my god. Ivan was saying it's looking like this is only a hill station, which is so true. I'm gonna just like now, the only thing that's left is because it's so foggy that we're not leaving ASAP. I'll just like blow dry my hair or like straighten it real quick. Hey, we're ready. My hair is done. I know. Guys, I got this knit tank top from Zara. It came with the side of it a little bit open. And now I was like, okay, either I'll return it. And then I was like, either I'll ask my mom to like just stitch it back because it was like a very small opening, okay? And I was like, I have worn it every time, and each time I have worn it, it has opened up slightly more, and I'm just afraid that this whole side will just open up like a weird jacket. But it's okay, maybe I can like get it sewn in a fun way. But it's so cute and I just don't wanna keep it away from me. Anyway, let's go now. Half of the boys are not awake. Half of the boys are saying they'll take 30 more minutes. Me and my Janu are ready. Actually, I'm ready for this road trip. We are out and about.
Not even out.
Not even about. इसके घर से अभी हम निकले हैं. But we are going to his friend's place now. We're gonna wait, and we are headed, and it's really. I don't think it's very foggy. But I think it's because we're in the city. Yeah. It's because
कॉलोनीज के अंदर है अभी. इतना लेट भी कर दिया यार. अब हमें ट्रैफिक मिलेगा.
it's what is the time? 8:37. It's 8:37.
1.5
We
hours.
woke up at 6:30. But to be fair, we are only leaving at this point because हम लोग ने तो हम हो गए थे, but हम थोड़ा slow down होकर ready हो रहे थे because the other guys were like, I'll leave in 30 minutes. Another one is not even responding, so that's why. But let's go. We have taken the wrong road and we are on a detour right now. But lucky for us, we found a. What is this?
Starbucks.
Getting coffee. We went to the washroom and we are now apparently 1 hour behind the other people because we took the wrong literal road. Why taking this? No.
नहीं तुमने उधर नहीं.
I said why to buy. I said why?
तुमने
Why?
जब मैंने बोला कि हमने गलत रूट.
Oh, I was like, that's what I was saying. No, I was like, that's what I was asking you. Why are we taking this road? See? The culprit. Oh my god, we're wearing Christmas colors. We're wearing us, literally. Oh my god, that is such a fair.
Where are our things?
When Starbucks came into India, it was revolutionary. Things they taught us in our marketing degree. These literally suck. Like, mine was so watery. I was like, am I like just like being, I don't know what, but then Arvind just let out a very, hi. And I was like, yeah, this Punjabi boy doesn't like it too. Shiv, kya hai? Shiva Tourist Dhaba. That's where we are, guys. We have finally caught up with the rest of the people. And now they have had their breakfast. We have had our breakfast, which was, I don't know, I think the sandwich was fine. Yeah, they just had pakode. In a way, I think.
दो doggies जा रहे उस गाड़ी में.
Oh my god. We have had a better breakfast. Guys, it's snacks time. We're eating bruschetta.
तो अब यहाँ चल रहा है.
No.
Scam कर दिया क्या भाई?
No. This is caramelized onion and dill dip. We'll eat by 6 p.m. It'll be andhera, but it's fine.
7. फिर खाने का.
Oh yeah, we'll stop to eat and stuff. So it might take longer. I'll call you soon. Guys, hi. We are at a Burger King. We stopped. We've coordinated. We stopped. Me and Arvind were just jamming to music. We were eating chips chapata. Oh my god, that bruschetta and that dip. Too good, that is. I'm not really hungry, but this one kinda is. Okay. So we have come to this Burger King. Yeah, the only issue is that we'll reach in the evening. Yeah, I'm not even tired. Actually, I've been really good. I've not complained about the speed. I've not complained, not much. I think like better than last time. I think I've been like very nicely mannered. And we're eating and we're listening to music. Oh my god. Finally have sighted.
Traffic era Hill University.
Oh my god.
Pahar. Hill.
We are headed in the right direction.
लास्ट टाइम क्या हुआ? पिछले रोड ट्रिप पे गया था तब मेरी गाड़ी टूटी. रोड ट्रिप पे आया हूँ ये गाड़ी टूटी.
Actually, what the hell?
मेरी गाड़ी टूटी.
अभी मैं धूप खा रही थी. It's okay, everybody is safe. Literally, what the hell? Guys, we've reached Bhimtal. We did boating here in Jan when me and the.
No.
It was-
नहीं.
Yeah, no, we came here in March of last year. Then we had done boating. Yeah, guys, I'm also kind of like a seasoned visitor of the Pahads. Because Bombay and all se hote ho to, हाँ, Bhimtal only. Because I'm from Bombay, you're not like, these boys tell me ki, yeah, we went there that time. We went there on our that trip. Like, I've missed out on literally everything. But yeah, beautiful vibes. Whatever the frick happened, guys, गाड़ी ठुक गई थी, but it's fine. There will be a slight detour. They will be going to, अब तो भीमताल में तो है ही, they might be going to Nainital या इधर आसपास. Me and Arman might head ahead to go and check in. because 10 बजे के बाद ahead आहे guys, I have finally reached. Coming. I don't know how cold it is, but it's beautiful. I've just entered. I stepped back. I was like, I need to show you. Let's. I have to. भाई अभी गाड़ी हम किधर से लेके आए हैं गाइस. कौन सा रोड था अभी. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Oh my god, girl, this is so nice. This is so freaking cute. Listen, this needs a room tour and a home tour and a house tour, but I'm going to give that to you in a while. We reached before the other guys because obviously they have to get something done with the car now. So then they were there. उन्होंने ठीक कराने दिया जो भी किया. फिर हम लोग तो डिस्कस कर रहे थे मैं और आर्यमन कि they should get a cab and come. And then they called and said they are getting a cab and coming. So we have come early. We have reached and we get to pick the pet room. Guys, do you think this is the right time to ask him why he's not holding my hand? Guys, what the hell? My nose is red. It's so cold. So cold. मेरा सर दर्द सा हो रहा है. We have ordered dinner, but I'm really freaking hungry. So I'm going to eat the banana bread that we got from Modern Bazaar with my mini bruschetta, whatever, and this. Too tired to bloody pronounce the name right. I don't pronounce you, man and wife. I in fact pronounce you the wrong way. I think high altitude पे होने की वजह से मेरे को headache और मैंने पानी भी कम पिया है because I freaking hate having to pee on road trips. It's the worst, guys. Arman was drinking more water than me and he had to pee the same amount as me. Imagine. And that was me without drinking. That was him with drinking. There's no way to escape. How do I open this? Save me banana bread. O-M to the G. Yes. Should I freaking heat it? Kitchen is gorgeous. I'm gonna show it in the day to y'all, guys. Freaking hell. Should I put my little cake on this? Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Whatever the hell that was. Oh my god. This Airbnb is bomb.com. I have had the best Airbnb experiences in this year and last year. And honestly, manifesting a collab with Airbnb, that they fly me out to some European country and all I have to be is like, dessert is ready. Yeah, and all I have to basically do is like, oh my god, the sun in this Airbnb is so good. Like, that's my aim for next year. When I do that, I want you all to support me and be like, damn right, Shreya, the sun in this Airbnb is so freaking good. I'm definitely gonna come here. Okay, I can't talk anymore. Oh my god. Huh. Yeah. This light is of the heater. It's so bright. But we have had so much of food. We sat outside. Mausam was awesome. Oh my god, that rhymed. We did a lot of chit-chatting, discussed, had fun. Now I'm literally going to sleep in the biggest blanket. Actually, Arman's blanket is bigger. Anyway, I'm going to sleep now. It was a very long day. I will see you tomorrow.